How to draw Naruto Baryon Mode. Hey everyone, so today's drawing will be a little bit complicated, so be sure to pause the video as you need to. For the first step, we're going to begin by making a shape that will look similar to a V right in the center of the page. Now personally, I haven't watched a whole lot of Naruto, but where should I start? What's your favorite episode? Comment down below. This side will go up a little bit higher than the left. Nice job. Now let's move right underneath what we just made. We're going to begin to make the symbol that Naruto has right in the center of his chest. We're going to begin by making a swirl right in the center, and then we're going to make a total of 9 lines. One will be short and the rest will be long. The short one will be right underneath of the swirl. Now this part is really tricky, so be sure to be extra careful. Now I think this new look for Naruto looks really cool, but what do you prefer, the old modern look or the new one? Now this is our second Naruto drawing ever. Do you want to see us draw more Naruto characters? If so, be sure to let us know in the comments down below. So far this symbol is coming along very well. We just have to make 2 more lines after this. Fantastic job. Next, we're going to go up top by that V that we previously made, and we're going to begin to connect it to the symbol. But first, we're going to extend it out. So let's go right up here on the left hand side, and we're going to make a line going out. Now we're also going to extend the right side, but the right side will come to a point. From the top of this point, we're going to draw a curved line going inward towards the symbol that we previously made. Keep in mind, our drawing has to look symmetrical, so I'll top it over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the right. So today's drawing will just show Naruto's chest and above, so we're going to finish making his jacket, and we're going to hop back over to the right hand side, and we're going to connect it all the way over to the symbol. We're going to begin by making a curved line going outwards towards the edge of the page. Good start. Now we're going to connect that small line coming from the bottom of the symbol all the way to what we just finished making. When connecting this, you can use squiggle lines or sharp lines to add detail. So earlier on I said we have to stay symmetrical with the drawing, so now we're going to hop back on over to the left hand side, and we're going to do the exact same thing that we just did to the right. This will help finish making Naruto's jacket. Another show that we've drawn a lot of characters from that is kind of similar to this is actually Dragon Ball Z. We've drawn Goku, Trunks, Piccolo, even Super Saiyan God Goku, and Vegeta. Nice, now we're almost done with the jacket. Lastly, we're going to add in a line going from left to right on the bottom opening. Next, inside of the empty space above the symbol, we're going to begin to draw the collar of Naruto. The middle of the collar will come down to a V-like shape. Underneath of the top line of the collar, we're going to add in a couple lines which will help separate the colors from orange and black. Are you all done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. For this next step, we're going to begin to draw the face. For the first step of drawing the face, we're going to begin by drawing the nose. When we make the nose, the first shape that we're going to make will look similar to a small backwards L. To the right of the backwards L shape, we will make a small dot. Directly below the nose, we're going to draw the mouth. We're going to make the mouth by using a line going from left to right with a small dip in the center to make it appear as if Naruto has a straight face. Underneath of the straight face, we're going to add in another small line. This second small line will help add detail to Naruto's face to make it appear as if he has an expression. Next, we're going to go right above the nose and we're going to begin to draw these long black marks that Naruto has next to his eyes. We're going to begin on the left hand side, and we're not going to make the whole thing just yet. This shape is very hard to describe how to make, so be sure to pause the video as we go along together. All done? If so, let's hop on over to the right hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the left. Now, do you see those small lines that we just made? Right above those small lines, we're going to begin to add in the eyebrows. The eyebrows will be very thin as well. Great job! Next, we're going to begin to draw the eyes right underneath of the eyebrows that we've just made. We post really cool step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this every single day, and the really cool part is that we take fan requests as well. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest drawing tutorials as well as other people's fan requests, or if you even want to request your own, then be sure to give this video a big like and to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all the latest drawing tutorials. For the pupil of the eye, we're just going to use a very small line. Nice, now let's draw the second eye on the left hand side. Earlier on in the video, we started to draw those black marks next to Naruto's eyes. We're going to go ahead and finish those right now. We're going to go back to the right hand side, and we're going to begin right underneath of the eyes. We're going to connect this to the top and make a point. Now let's go ahead and fill in this entire shape black. Let's finish the left hand side as well. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a picture of this drawing, so then you can pause it and color it in if you want to. Are you all done making those black shapes? If so, let's go ahead and draw the hairline in between. Next, we're going to draw the top of the hair as well, but we're not going to connect it to the head just yet. Next, let's go ahead and connect the head to the collar by using small curved lines. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. We have to add in the ears as well as the hair on the side of the head. When adding in the hair on the side of the head, we can just use small triangle-like shapes. Below the hair on the sides of the head, let's go ahead and draw the ears of Naruto. Now last but not least, we're going to add in the 3 marks on the left and right hand side of the face below the black marks by the eyes. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Naruto Baryon Mode. If this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists can see it as well. Also, if you want to see more videos just like this, then remember to subscribe. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.